But he is again another expert in here. I am going to show this book to him because it was for the first time in my institute that ERP project was explained on PowerPoint program by no other person than Deepak Tripathi. At that time also, so many of us were overwhelmed that this is the best and scientific concept to be used in industry. I therefore again, on your behalf and on my behalf, offer my congratulations. I cannot congratulate adequately also in as many words as possible, but congratulate Professor Jyotindra Dhaveri for really taking so much effort. Shall I give you a secret?